Hey guys, I got so excited for this time in the video. I know I'm talking in the background because there's a lot of puppies outside. And my parents talk a lot and there's some friends over. Hi, I'm Exolo's sister, and yeah, my dad's friend gave us a whole box of toys. My Little Pony, I think this one's rare. And this cute little puppy. There's other more toys, but mostly all boys.
Yeah, boys.
Okay, so my sister's gonna hold the camera for me while.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm super happy. Sorry if my parents talk to me, just pause it, okay? Just pause it when they come.
Here's this beautiful masterpiece coming
Right
right out.
Rip this out. Please.
I know, I'm just showing you guys. I just want to.
Oh, my.
You need some scissors?
Oh, no, I'm okay.
Oh, yeah, to rip this indeed. Yes.
I only got an ice cream each. A mini one. Just to get
Really?
Oh my gosh. The smell. Oh, the smell sounds.
Okay, I don't want to.
Let's video. Oh, it smells like bubblegum actually.
It smells good.
Let's just see this one.
Whoa. No.
This is
no.
cool. I'm not taking out the packaging because I really like it. I'm really sorry. I know
It
it's
smells so good.
I know.
Oh,
Series, the pearl. Oh, sorry that we paused it. This is the pearl series. How squishy is this? It's super soft and it's actually bigger than you think it is. Oh my gosh! So this is what I got, and just more. A little pink. Give us her business card to us. Nothing else. So this is all I got. And don't judge me, guys. I don't want to spend too much money. Like a girl, she only bought an iPhone and Apple. Super squishy. Just drop everything and get it. It's only $10. They have pearl pink vibes and it's good. Oh no. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye. Look at the booty. A lot of people call it a booty. Bye.